Okay, quick update on my recent purchase. I have it upside down because the brushes don't come installed, but super easy to install. You just push them in until you hear a click and it's ready to go. As you can see, it's not that big. This slot right here is where the debris gets picked up and suctioned in through. It does come with this giant quick start guide, which is handy. However, you do want to read the owner's manual. Obviously, it's got more in depth of how to take care of your machine. I'm gonna flip it upside down so you can quickly see, or right side up. It's got a little lift. I know you can't see it very well on the camera, but it's got a little lift, easy to push up. And here's the container. This is where all the debris is going to be in. There's a filter, easy rubber pull out. Easy to pull that out. Easy lift to empty out and clean out. They do have a different version for you to install if you do want to do like a mopping. I didn't get that option, but good to know. It also comes with a remote control that can be placed on the charging dock, which is actually right here. It's not that big, as you can see. But let's say you have company over and your machine's out, you can quickly send it home and you don't have to worry about it getting in the way of company. Now, one thing that it didn't mention when I purchased this, it didn't mention that it came with extra, which I absolutely love. It came with extra brushes and an extra filter. Love, love, love that. This is to clean up your device in case, you know, stuff gets caught up in your wheels. You need to, you know, we lose hair, ladies, so this will help clear out all the stuff from your machine. So yeah, so far I'm liking this. So we'll see. I'm gonna turn this on tomorrow and then I'll give you another update.
Let's see how this cleans on hard surface. Pretty cool. You can turn while it's on.